Alright, welcome back to another day. We're doing the strategy that's very simple. Anybody could do it, called trend surfing. These are the back tests for it. For 39 days, it's been 17.7% gain, which is great because we're doing big position size here. If you want to skip to when I trade this live, if you already know what the strategy is, then there's a hyperlink in the top of the description. So this is the strategy here. It's on a 1 minute chart. I got WEBULL linked to TRADINGVIEW. So I am trading directly on TRADINGVIEW. If you click indicators, add the SuperTrend indicator over here, this very popular one. And then change the settings to the ATR period is 1 and the multiplier is 1.5. So that's going to be changing pretty often from buy to sell. And you're going in after the first sell signal. This is your entry for shorting. And then when you're at 0.3% gain, this is where I would sell half and set my stop loss to where I bought at. And I continue to sell every 0.3% profit, a quarter my position, and then sell everything once you get the buy signal, and then go long and repeat the process. So over here, it wouldn't quite reach 0.3, but you get the sell signal right here. So you'd be exiting there at a break even. And then I trade in the first hour of the day. So you can see that's when you get the biggest opportunities over here. This is 0.8%. All right, the market just opened here. We have a buy signal. We're getting ready with our order buy 650 shares of Tesla. If this candle closes green with a buy signal, then we'll be going long. Okay, so we're long on Tesla right now. This is our first sell target. Okay, we just sold half there. And we got rid of the rest of our position. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to sell at our second profit target there. Once I've hit that first profit target, if it goes back to where I bought at, then I just sell. Get rid of it. And then we're now waiting for the SuperTrend signal to change before we enter our next position, and that would be shorting. So we're up just 155 on the day. So especially in the morning here, you can see how fast you have to be. Kind of only hit our second profit target for like a split second over there. Okay, we got the alert for the sell signal. You can see it kind of popped up and then disappeared. So that's why we wait for this candle to close before we go short, because we want to make sure it closes with the sell signal on. So we just broke a new high over here. This is where I'm tempted to get in. We still have some room to go from the pre-market highs, but I'm just going to stick to following the strategy for now. If we didn't have this red bar right here where we got stopped out at where we bought at, then this would have been a huge win. Currently up about 2%. Now I do this because it saved me so many times. I find that it's definitely worth it in the long run. It's not just something that I feel, it's back tested and been proven. Okay, we're getting a sell signal here. We'll see if this bar closes, in which case we're going to be going short. Okay, we're currently going short. I just sold half right there. And I set a stop loss right there of where I bought at, and this is the next profit target. Set a buy limit order to sell an additional 80 shares, which is a quarter of my current position size if it hits this level. Okay, that just hit right there, so sold another quarter of my position. Okay, sold again, another quarter of my position size. We have 185 units left, and sold again. So this is a pretty great run for this stock over here. And now I'm going for a bigger win down there for a 2% win. but it just closed right there with a buy signal, so I'm fully out of this position. We're done for the day, made $844 there. Before we close it out, we got an inspiration for the day. Trend surfing is joining the market's current movement, then quickly making the trade risk-free just in case it changes its mind. Top 3 challenges. Taking the loss and switching sides. Yesterday should have been a big green day, but I made this mistake, which is basically I didn't take the loss soon enough. I said to myself, give myself more room in case it changes direction. And if I would have taken that loss right away, then it would have been a green day. I'm not taking the trade because technical analysis doesn't look right. And this would have been a nice profitable trade. But instead, I was looking at the technical analysis. I was looking at this line right here, yesterday's close, as a potential resistance. I wanted to break that line before I get it. And because of that, then I got a small win and got stopped out of where I bought it. Whereas if I would have bought here, which would be according to plan, then I would still be in this trade right now. The third thing is fast execution. Only possible when you don't have to make decisions in real time. This is super fast-paced trading. You should really be trading a platform like this where you can just slide your stop losses and be able to get out really quickly. If you're starting to make decisions in real time of like, maybe I should do this, maybe I shouldn't do this, then that's when you make mistakes because there's really no time for that. All right, that's it. So we'll see you next time. Please subscribe. We're going to be posting these videos often of live day trading and just running through this strategy. And then we'll see you tomorrow.